Hello, Enlightium families. As the lead coordinator for the Faith in Action program, it was recently my privilege to lead the students on a missions trip that I will never forget. We were able to come together as strangers, make friends, and start serving the local community. We put together donations for those in need, including food, clothing, and other household supplies. Most importantly, we were able to share the gospel with those who needed to hear it. We are not all called to be missionaries, but we are all called to share the gospel and to share Christ's love for us. As a natural extension of our Christian education, Enlightium is going to offer more mission trip opportunities in the future. If you would like to learn more about this and encourage your students to take their academic knowledge and put it into hands-on practical service, you can check out the knowledge base and search missions trips.